These are the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 8. If we want to find the real number solutions to each of the following quadratic equations, already written in standard form, by examining their graphs. Okay, so if I want to know where this expression equals 0, then I'm looking for where it crosses the x-axis. So that happens here and here, and the solutions would be x equals -3 and 0. And then this parabola, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9, I want to know where it equals 0, which means I'm looking for x-intercepts. Looks like about right there, and my only solution is -1.5. And then if I asked you to do the same thing, find real solutions to the quadratic equation x squared plus 1 equals 0, that means I'm looking for places where this parabola crosses the x-axis, but it never does. So its solutions are not real. There are no real solutions, but there are possibly non-real solutions lying in something called the complex number system. Okay, so today's demo is going to be on the complex number system.